All right, everybody, welcome back to another episode of What the Fork. I have another great recipe for you guys to try. I'm a little excited about this one. Tonight, we're going to be making creamy orange Grand Marnier scallops. If you're not familiar with Grand Marnier, it's an orange liqueur that is often put in margaritas. So we're not going to talk you to death. Let's get straight to it. We have a half a pound of scallops that we're going to wash and pat dry. Make sure you do that. Then after you do that, you want to season it both sides with salt and cracked black pepper, just like we're doing right here. All right, once you got your scallops seasoned, this is a real quick meal, so it's not going to take long. Remember, get a cast iron pan. If you don't have one, just make sure you have a nice pan that you can use with high heat. High heat is essential when you are cooking scallops. You want to make sure that they are seared properly. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get our scallops put in. And we're going to let these cook for 2 minutes on high heat. And then we're going to go ahead and flip them. And you see that nice, beautiful sear right there. Go and get these flipped over. And once they're flipped over, scallops like shrimp, they don't take a long time to cook. If you overcook them, they're going to be tough. And they're not going to be, that nice, soft texture that you want. So after you let them cook one side for 2 minutes, flip them over, let them cook for about another minute, and then you can go ahead and take them out. So let's go ahead and take these out, put these to the side, and next we're going to make our sauce. Now, when you get ready to make your sauce, make sure your pan is cooled down because you don't want to start burning everything up. All right, so here we have a half a cup of shallots. We're going to let those cook down for about a minute or two until they're translucent. And then once they're cooked down, this is real simple. We're going to add the chicken broth. Next, we're going to add some white wine, orange juice, and we're going to let this boil. You want to get it to where you see how it's boiling because we want this to reduce, and it's going to take probably about 10 to 15 minutes. So we just give everything a nice mix and let it, like I said, reduce for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, once it's reduced, if you take a look at the pan, you can see where the shallots are right here. That's about where it started, and that's where it started right there. And then it, goes down to where you can see it is right now. So that's how you can kind of like use a little line as how far it's reduced. All right, once everything's reduced, we're going to go ahead and add our heavy whipping cream. So you just get a whisk, pour it in slowly. Let's go ahead and get this mixed. This is a real simple dish, but very, very good. Like, people will think, oh, it took you forever to make this. Oh my God, how did you come up with it? Nope. The longest part of the dish is the waiting for it to reduce. All right. So once the heavy whipping cream is in, we'll let that cook down for about a minute or two. And then here's the point where you season your sauce. So we're going to add a little bit of salt, some more cracked black pepper, and the salt and the pepper goes off your taste. So if you like a little bit more salt, do it. A little bit more pepper, do it. Totally up to you. All right, once the salt and pepper is in, we're going to go ahead and squeeze half a lemon juice. Get that mixed in. And then once everything's cooked down, about another minute, we add the butter. And then we're going to add our orange zest. So we have the Grand Marnier with the orange liqueur and then some fresh orange zest. You already know what that's going to taste like. Amazing. All right, so let's go ahead and get the butter and the orange zest whisked in. Can't say whisk. Whisk. All right, let that cook down about another 2 minutes. And your sauce should look like that. And let's go ahead and plate it up. There you have it. Creamy orange Grand Marnier scallops. You can do this with a nice salad on the side, like a pear salad or something like that. Caesar salad, totally up to you. And I'm gonna go ahead and try this right now and see what it do. Beautiful scallop, creamy orange sauce, perfect. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button. It's What the Fork. Have a good holiday.